Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how I crashed my DJI Mavic Mini drone. It was just a sad moment, to be honest. I was flying the drone, trying to grab some excellent footage. Actually going to show you that footage to y'all right after this. But flying my drone. Next thing I know, I looked up. I got all the footage I needed. I was getting ready to bring the drone down, and then next thing I know, I looked down at the controller, looked back up, and then my controller went black, and my drone just took off, and it kind of flew right into a building. And then once it hit the building, it just slid all the way down the building. I tried to run over and catch it, but I couldn't catch it before it hit the ground. What was also very weird about that is that there was another guy out there with another DJI Mavic Mini, and he actually crashed his drone as well. He had the same thing happen to him, and there was another guy with a Mavic Air. He had his signal cut while he was in the air too. So we were thinking maybe somebody was out there jamming the signals of the drones or something, because we were flying kind of in the city, which I know some people say you're not supposed to fly up there anyway, but we didn't get any warnings. There was no warnings or anything on the controller, no high wind warnings or anything like that, or no restricted warnings, fly zone warnings. So it seemed like it was cool to fly, and I got all the footage I needed, and then next thing I know, the drone just kind of lost control and slammed into a building. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the footage that I captured with the drone before it crashed, and I'll go ahead and roll that footage right now. Alright, everyone, so I hope you enjoyed that footage that I was able to capture there of that Black Lives Matter mural. It was a very beautiful mural, one of the first ones to really have different stuff going on with each individual letter, and all the artists definitely did their thing on that, man. So hope y'all enjoyed that there. But yeah, man, so let's get back to the main point. So right now, this is the drone, so what it looks like, and as you look at it right now, it doesn't look too bad. You can kind of see right there, there's like a little crack right there where it looks like it's been separated. And at first glance, you would think it's okay. There's a couple of marks on the propellers there, but overall, it looks okay when you first look at it. But here on the back, the door here has been kind of busted up a little bit, and I'll take the battery out. So if you take the battery out, I'll kind of show you the condition of the battery. So the battery here is cracked, as you can kind of see there. There's a big crack right there. That was cracked during the crash, of course. So lay the battery back over there. So now go ahead and pull the propellers out and pull the arms out. And the arms actually not damaged at all. They actually took the beating, and they kept going. So I mean, I heard a lot of people saying with the lightweight of this and the weight, how light it is, and it's built pretty good. The arms are in pretty good condition. This one's a little bent, just a little bit, but not enough to where it would have hindered it from flying in the future. So all the arms looking pretty good. Not any other real body damage happened from the crash. the major damage happened underneath this bad boy. So let me go ahead and take that off. So underneath here, this whole gimbal piece, everything here is all cracked and broken. No damage done to the lens, but the actual everything that connects the lens and the gimbal to the actual body, all that was all trashed and it's all broken up. This actual piece here, the actual connector piece right here got disconnected. Some of the wires and stuff on the inside of this really got damaged. You can kind of see there's some separation. So yeah, man. So and then okay, I just now noticed that. So if you look right there, you can kind of see the body did separate a little bit right there upon impact. So like it's separated from all the way up top all the way down to the midsection there. So yeah, man. So that's my Mavic Mini. That's the condition that it's in right now. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. I mean, I'm at a point where it's like, okay, buy a new one, or you know, because I was one of the dummies. I know, tear me up in the comments. I didn't get DJI Care when I first bought this. I was like, I'm not gonna be doing any serious flying with it, just catching, you know, a couple shots here and there, so I should be okay. And ended up backfiring on me, not getting the DJI DJI Fly Care, and ended up backfiring on me. So so right now I have this drone, and if anyone's watching this and you're interested in buying this drone for parts, definitely hit me up in the comments or DM me on my Instagram _what's your forte, and we can definitely try to work something out, because this is pretty much done with. I know this can probably be repaired if somebody really wants to take the time to repair it. So definitely, if you're interested in that and that's what you're into and that's what you do, definitely hit me up and we can work out a deal and I can ship it out to you. So yeah, man. So that's my Mavic Mini drone. It's all tore to pieces. It's crashed, but hey, at first I was real sour about it. I was real mad about it, and I was like, hey, I ended up getting a good mural, getting a good video with it. I was able to save the footage. If I would have crashed it, wrecked it, and not able to save the footage, then I'd have been really mad. But at least I was able to save the footage that I captured, so it really wasn't too bad, man. So yeah, man. So that's it, man. So y'all let me know down in the comments what I should do, man. Should I just get another Mavic Mini? Should I just leave the drones alone altogether? Should I get the Mavic Air 2? I mean, there's a lot of little suggestions out there. Because if I get the Mavic Air 2, of course I would try to sell this for parts and then sell all of my stuff that I got in the Fly More kit. So and use that money towards a purchase of the new drone. Because I mean, that stuff in the Fly More kit, I mean, it's worth $100 more, because it's like 2 extra batteries, extra propellers, fly guards, you know, etc. So I mean, I could probably get $100, I think, for that. All right, everyone. So that's it, man. So that's what's going on with my drone. I was gonna do a full review on this drone, but can't do that now because it's totaled, man. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what I should do. As always, like, subscribe. Thank you for everyone that's helped me hit 1,000 subscribers. And I'll holler at y'all later, man. Peace.